have something for you to try. This is for anyone who is open to the idea or the concept that all of this is basically our consciousness, and that you and I exist in our consciousness. Therefore, we are never separate, and therefore you can actually connect with me, as they say, telepathically. In actuality, it's because we are in each other's consciousness. If there is a person that you fancy, that you like, and it can be someone that you actually have never spoken to, but someone that you see on a daily basis, or you see them at a place that you frequent, and you want this person to say hello to you and smile at you or greet you, something simple that you can believe in. So let's do this. Let's try this experiment, because if you believe that we are all in this consciousness and you and I are in each other's consciousness, I want you to go inward. I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to imagine this person that you see, that you fancy, that you like, that you haven't actually spoken to, you've never met, but you see this person on a regular or weekly basis. And I want you to go inward. I want you to visualize them in your mind, that person in your mind. Go inward, just like you were thinking about someone that you love, like your mother or your father or your brother or your sibling, someone really close to you. And I want you to imagine them in your mind, in your vision, in your imagination. And I want you to imagine you seeing them say hello to you. Imagine them actually seeing you at this place that you frequent. And I want you to imagine that they look at you and smile and say hello. That's all I want you to imagine. And that's all I want you to go inward. And I want you to feel, I want you to put yourself in the same setting as the environment that you see them in. So if it's a shop that you regularly frequent and you see them and they've never actually said hello to you, I want you to imagine them coming up to you and saying hello. And it can go as far as them having a conversation or introducing themselves. Whatever you want to imagine, but I want you to put a lot of feeling into it, just like when you think of someone that you love in your life. And I want you to do that with deep emotion and visualization in your imagination. And I want you to do it as long as you can. Sustain the energy. So it can be as long as 30 seconds. It can be as short as 15 seconds. But enjoy it. Really get into it. And let me know how that works out for you. Come back to this, comment if they do come and say hello to you. I want you to practice this. I don't want you to be obsessed about it. Just think about it a few times with no expectations, just with fondness, with joy, with playfulness, and then let it go. Okay? So try that practice, and this is to confirm that everyone that you do encounter in your story, in your 3D reality, is actually someone within your consciousness, and that you are never separate from them, and that you can actually communicate with them energetically, as they say, telepathically. Try it and let me know how it goes. I would love to hear the outcome. My name's Arnell. I'm a manifestation transformation coach, and I love to help people and give my ideas and perspectives on relationships and dating. And I'm here if you need help in coaching and guidance in your life.